Subscribe to receive daily videos on natural solutions and cures. Say goodbye to hormonal imbalance. 12 foods to balance your hormones naturally. Hormonal imbalances are incredibly common, affecting millions of people worldwide. They can lead to a range of symptoms such as mood swings, fatigue, weight gain, and reduced libido. But did you know that you can help alleviate these symptoms by simply changing your diet? In this video, we will explore 12 foods that are rich in essential nutrients that can help you restore hormonal balance and improve your overall well-being. Avocado. Rich in healthy monounsaturated fats, avocados help to reduce inflammation and promote hormonal balance. They are also an excellent source of vitamin E, which can support hormone synthesis and help protect against hormonal imbalances. Leafy greens. Leafy greens, such as spinach, kale, and collard greens, are packed with essential nutrients, including magnesium, which can help regulate hormones and alleviate symptoms like fatigue and mood swings. Flax seeds. Flax seeds are a fantastic source of phytoestrogens, which can help to regulate estrogen levels in the body. Additionally, they are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which can reduce inflammation and help support hormone balance. Salmon. Fatty fish like salmon are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for maintaining a healthy hormonal balance. Omega-3s can help reduce inflammation, support the production of hormones, and protect against conditions like polycystic ovary syndrome, PCOS. Quinoa. Quinoa is a complete protein, providing all 9 essential amino acids required for hormone production. It is also rich in magnesium, which can help regulate hormones and improve symptoms like fatigue and mood swings. Fermented foods. Fermented foods, such as yogurt, kefir, and sauerkraut, are rich in probiotics, which can support gut health and promote hormonal balance. A healthy gut can aid in the proper production and regulation of hormones. Broccoli. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli contain compounds called indoles, which can help to balance estrogen levels in the body. This can be particularly beneficial for women experiencing hormonal imbalances related to their menstrual cycle or menopause. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids and fiber, which can help reduce inflammation, promote gut health, and support hormone production. Nuts. Nuts such as almonds, walnuts, and cashews are rich in healthy fats, which can help support hormone production and maintain a healthy hormonal balance. They also provide essential minerals, such as magnesium and zinc, which are critical for hormone synthesis and regulation. Berries. Berries are packed with antioxidants and can help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, both of which can contribute to hormonal imbalances. They also provide essential vitamins and minerals that can support hormone production and regulation. Turmeric. The active ingredient in turmeric, curcumin, has potent anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation and promote hormonal balance. Curcumin has also been shown to support healthy estrogen levels in the body. Green tea. Green tea is rich in antioxidants and has been shown to help regulate hormones, particularly insulin. By helping to maintain healthy insulin levels, green tea can contribute to better hormone balance and overall health. Hormonal imbalances can have a significant impact on your quality of life, but by incorporating these 12 foods into your diet, you can help support hormone balance and enjoy better health and well-being. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more videos on natural solutions and cures.